Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you're fine and enjoying my videos and learning so much. Wait. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay friends, do you know today's lesson is letter I. Are you excited? Do you know sound of I is really easy. I sounds A. Say with me, A. A. Do you know I is a sky letter? Why? Because it's written in the line. Oh yes friends, now I'll tell you the story of I. It was a icy outside. Icky had an idea. We would make an igloo. Glues are made up of ice. It takes lot of ice. Icky made lots of ice. Ice is very cold. Inside the igloo, it is cold. Inside it, fun. Yahoo! You enjoy it? Now learn some animals. Oh, wait. My name is Superhero. Okay. Learn some animals from letter I. Iguana. Change color. I bags. Too long horns. Ibis. Insects. Now learn some vocabulary words from idea. I have an idea. I injection. I injury. I infection. I ink. I iceberg. I ice. Too cold. I iron. Too hot. I ice cream. And too cold. I love it. Now it's your turn. Do you remember? Think. And tell me. Thanks for watching my video. Oh, wait. Please subscribe me. Like my videos. And give me good comments. Share to others. See you later. Bye-bye.